Uber Eats does not pay a flat rate per delivery. Every order is priced differently based on distance, demand, and how quickly the delivery needs to be completed. By the end of this, you'll understand how each delivery is actually priced, what factors change your payout, and how to recognize which orders are worth accepting before you even tap accept. Uber Eats pay per delivery is built from a few separate parts, not one fixed number. The first part is the base fare. This is the starting amount Uber assigns to a trip. It changes depending on distance and time, so a short delivery and a long delivery won't pay the same. Short trips usually have lower base pay, while longer trips increase the base because they take more time and travel. The second part is trip supplements. This is where pay can increase when an order is harder to fill or when demand is higher than available drivers. When the app needs drivers quickly, it can add extra money to make the order more attractive. This is why two identical deliveries can pay differently depending on timing. The third factor is customer tip. This is often the biggest variable in total earnings per delivery. Tips are added after or before the delivery, and they can completely change how profitable an order is compared to another one that looks similar in distance. Now here's what actually matters in real driving conditions. Two orders that look the same on the map can have very different total payouts because the system adjusts pricing based on urgency and demand. A short delivery in a busy dinner rush can sometimes pay more than a longer delivery during a slow period because of added supplements and higher tipping activity. That's why experienced drivers don't just look at distance. They look at total payout versus time required. Another important detail is that stacking multiple short trips during busy periods often produces better overall earnings than waiting for a single long order. The app rewards speed and availability during peak demand more than long idle waiting between orders. So per delivery earnings are not consistent. They fluctuate constantly based on conditions you can't fully control, but you can respond to. Quick recap: Uber Eats pay per delivery is made up of base fare, possible trip supplements, and customer tips. The final amount changes based on distance, demand, and timing. Next step: compare 3 different order offers during your next shift and focus only on total payout versus estimated time, not distance alone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Uber Eats breakdowns.